If you are learning Power Apps or working with Power Apps, then this Power Apps video tutorial will be very helpful to you as I have shown 20 various examples on how to use Power Apps Gallery Control. I also put a link on the video description where you can download the entire solution package. Also, I have attached an installation guide which you can follow to upload the solution into your tenant. Now let me open the Power Apps app where you can see all the 20 various examples. So here you can see this is my Power Apps Canvas app. It is my home page where you can see 20 buttons. So whenever a user will click on specific button, it will redirect to the specific screen that is having the specific gallery control example. For all these things, I have used my SharePoint online list data. So before showing my SharePoint list data source, if you are new to this channel, then let me introduce myself. I am Preeti and I work as a Power Platform developer in TSInfo Technologies. So for this example, I have used two SharePoint lists. One is car rental services and another one is car gears. So car rental services is my main list and this car gears is my some of the examples I have used lookup things, so that's why I have used this second list. In this list, you can see this is my columns: car name, car type, seats, colors, and these are all the records that are used for the Power Apps Gallery control. Similarly, this is the second list. As I told you, some of the examples I have used lookup things. So I have used this many columns: car ID, car name, and car gear type. In the installation guide, I put all the column details, and you need to create the same list and all the same columns with same data type in your tenant. Now we will see some of the functionalities of the Power Apps Schedule Control in Power Apps that how you can use that. So let me click on this first one, display items from collection button. When you will click on this, it will redirect to this page and you can see all the collection that I have created manually. So every every screen has one home button. Once you click on this home button, it will redirect to this home page. Second, I will show you display items from SharePoint list. So whenever you click this, you can see this is my gallery control that the data is retrieved from the SharePoint list. As I told you earlier, I have the SharePoint list car rental services. So all the data are coming from there only. Similarly, move to the home page. I will show you how you can delete item from the gallery. So here you can see wherever you will remove the particular item from here, just click on this trash button and it will delete from the gallery control and as well as from the SharePoint list. Next, again go to the home page. I will show you gallery with conditional formatting. So here you can see those things are, this is the important thing in the Power Apps Gallery control. As you can see, whenever you will click on this, select a particular item, it is changing the color. Wherever you can see this confirm button, these are the green color, and not confirm, these are the disable color, and pending things is violet color, and those are cancelled, it is coming red color. Also same thing, here icons are there, emojis are there, you can see the right side. So based upon the confirm, it is showing the thumbs up. Based on the not confirm, it's showing thumbs down. Like this it is appearing, and you can see here those are like 4, it is appearing with green color. Those 6 or 9, it is appearing with orange color, like this. So this is one of the important very important thing in the Power Up Scaling Control. You can go to the home page. You can see one of things, gallery filter for top 5 values. If you want to see the top 5 values from the gallery control, then you can use this thing, like you can use this screen of where you can see only the top 5 values. So here you can see I have ordered this top 5 value based on the daily price. You can see these are the daily price, and I have based upon the daily price, I have ordered this thing. Again, go to this home page, and you can see the most important thing is gallery pagination. What is the gallery pagination? You can see there are 4 pages in a single gallery control. Like it is dividing the gallery control based upon the number of item counts. So you can see this is the second page, and this is the third page, this is the fourth page. Whenever you want to see again the first page, directly click on this, it will go to the first page. And same thing, whenever you click on the last page, it will move to the last page. Again, go to the home page. I will show you a gallery filter. So based upon the alphabets, you can search your, you can filter your PowerApps gallery control. Suppose I want to filter based upon C. So it is like the person name is booking person name is Cristiano. Same G, uh, it is showing by those particular names starting with G. So Glory and Grady. Again, go to the home page, and here you can see if you want to filter the gallery by user. By user, it will show all the items in the Power Apps gallery control. Again, suppose you want to filter the gallery multiple drop down. So you can see this is one of the drop down, this is one another one, and this is the status. Based upon this, it will um, it will filter the gallery control. Okay, and suppose you want to filter by text input. Suppose here I will search something continuous. So it is showing me continuous variable transmission items in the gallery control. Suppose I want to filter based upon the location Austin. So it is showing me the Austin values. This is the one example of power of gallery control. You can go to this thing. Suppose you want to filter the gallery based upon the range. Suppose I selected one here and it is 30. So it is based upon this selected range. It is the gallery control is filtering and showing the value over here. So the last one I will show you gallery navigation. What is the gallery navigation? You can see these are the items that are retrieving from the SharePoint list. Suppose I will click on this audit, then it is showing in the right side, it is showing me all the details of the specific car, that is Audi. Suppose I will click on the Nissan, then it will show me all the details of this Nissan. So these are all the details about the power of scaling control examples. Also, if you want to try out this solution, then download the app that I provided in the video description below. Also, I will show you, I have written one article based upon this thing, this solution thing. You can go to the spdash.com and you can find this solution over here also. If you really like this video, then kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.